बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। इनफैक्ट हम लोग घर पे थे तो मोर कंफर्टेबल आई वाज इन शूटिंग। एंड एक्सपीरियंस क्योंकि जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि क्या होने वाला है आगे, तो इट वाज वेरी एक्साइटिंग, वेरी नाइस टू शूट। फिल्म देखते वक्त आप लोगों को डर लगा तो डेफिनेटली व्हाइल शूटिंग सम सेंस ऑफ ईरी फीलिंग तो यू फील ओनली अबाउट इट कि आपको कुछ अजीब दिखाई दे रहा है, आपको फील करना पड़ता है, आपको महसूस करना पड़ता है कि कुछ कुछ अलग हो रहा है घर पे, तो देन यू नीड टू फर्स्ट फील दैट वाइल एक्टिंग। सो या थोड़ा थोड़ा डर लगा। I was feeling a little nervous because shooting with Rahul Roy, and we have seen his movies, Ashiki. So when you know that you're going to act with such kind of person and who's already knowing so many things, so you just get a little nervous. But when he came on the shooting floor, so it was very good. So many people may be alone sitting at home, and nobody is alone is based on that कि we, our inner conscious, our subconscious is always there with us. We are always thinking, either it can be good thoughts, it can be bad thoughts, but we are always thinking and we are never alone. So nobody alone was that, and we had a little mixture of gags of a husband and wife, you know. So that's nobody is alone all about. Playing a double role is not so easy because you have to look different. Psychoness was there in both the characters. So both the characters had a little bit of, not little bit, quite. They both were psychic sisters. They were twins. कॉमेडी इज़ वन थिंग विच आई वॉन्ट टू ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोर एंड आई वॉन्ट टू डू। यू नो, मैं सबको परेशान करती हूँ, और वो जो स्ट्रीक है, कॉमेडी का स्ट्रीक, अब तक किसी ने वो निकाला नहीं है मुझसे। तो टू डू अ सास बहू थिंग वॉज लाइक द मोस्ट ईजिएस्ट थिंग फॉर मी टू डू, बिकॉज आई एम अ फन लविंग एंड आई एम, मैं सबको बहुत ज़्यादा सताती हूँ। Lag Ja Gale is one of my favorite songs. I wanted to do some music video like that. Of course, as an actor, you want to explore so many things, and this thing about singing and dancing, I am passionate about it. So, staying at home and doing something creative and doing something innovative. लग जा गले से something which is very innovative and which is very creative. what we are trying to portray in as me being a part of Little Seal Studios is that we want to come up with innovative things. कहाँ छिपा है? His mind, his thinking, and what he thought and the way he wanted to deliver it, it came through in that film, and it is one of my most best films because how can you just imagine a statue just coming to life and then you're saying that that partner is mine? Joel composes music really very well. This is one of his pieces which he has done, but rest other pieces also which I've heard is it's very nice, and it's almost all are very peppy. So when I heard the song, it was the music. It was really very good, and then his thought for everyone to do one portion and send it. So me and Noel did one portion, and of course Ronan also did one portion. So music was really very good. Or kuch masti kind of number. We thought that everything shouldn't be like a horror or a thriller and masti. So everything in total we wanted to give everything. So we had a dance video. So people from US, UK, France, and everyone sent their own videos, and we compiled it and we put it together. It was fun doing it. मस्ती की हम लोग ने बहुत उसमें. This mother and child and mother and son relationship which is there, it's very common relationship, but it's the most beautiful relationship than all the relationships ever I've seen. So missing you was not actually missing you. He is around, but when he is not there around, he's sleeping or he's gone to school or he's down playing with his friends, you still miss him. I saw Mulk, and which is directed by Anubhav Sinha. I love the film. It is a beautiful film and very nice. I loved it. He's so handsome. He was good also in Super 30, but War takes the award. He was so good, especially the introduction scene. जैसे वो हेलीकॉप्टर से उतरा. Oh my God. I like Shah Rukh Khan a lot. And if you're asking me my favorite film of Shah Rukh Khan, then it is Chak De India. That is his bestest films. And of course, if you say romance, then I know everyone knows that the another name for romance is King Khan, SRK. So everyone, keep watching Little Seal Studios, and please view all the videos, watch the films, like it, subscribe it.